everybody, Chris over here at iRepairDr. I got a Motorola it's a XT 1710-02. We're going to do the camera lens on it real quick. So we have the replacement camera lens, piece of glass. It's pre-installed adhesive on it. What we're going to need is maybe a heat gun, a couple pry tools, some air to clean it out, because sometimes the glass falls down in between the lens here and it'll make it not focus correctly, so we're gonna have to check that first. Okay, it looks like the camera's still focusing fine, so what we're gonna want to do is just kind of pick out these pieces. See, a couple of pieces will fall down in the camera area, and what we're gonna have to do is really make sure that we get them out, before we go put our new camera lens on, because we don't want to put it on and it be dirty or out of focus and then we have to do this all over again. The way this one broke, it's just kind of easier to just kind of slide underneath there. Putting heat on it would probably make it come up a little bit easier. I just don't want to really run the heat since I don't need to, because putting heat on the camera directly isn't really a good thing either. So we'll just try to get away without using it, which it looks like we were pretty successful so far. Sorry if I'm pulling this off camera. Fairly easy to get the adhesive off. Okay, so continue to clean this off. Oops. Continue to get that off of there. If you look down here, you can see that there is some glass in the edges, so we're gonna have to try to get that out. Still might be some in there. Alright, it moves around pretty free. I just gotta try to look at this as close as possible. Make sure it's free of glass. And it looks like it is, but there is still a little bit of adhesive there. And if you can tell real close, there's a little dot of dust on the tip there. What I'm going to do is take a Q-tip, try to clean that up a little bit. Now, test the camera again. Now what you're going to want to do, it's going to be hard to tell here, but you can see that my business card in the background goes out of focus and then goes in focus, so we know that the focal thing is working. So as long as the picture looks good and everything looks clear, which it does, we can proceed to the next step. Basically what we're going to do is take a look at this. One side has the adhesive, the other side has a clear protector. take that, slap it right into the phone. Just like that. And just like that, it's been replaced. Looks like it. No, I thought it was look a little high right there, but it looks good. Now let's do a test again. Perfect. Picture quality looks good. Everything looks good. So if this video helped you, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.